So let's hop back and let's go to forms and certificates. That's on the left-hand side. You can also press the big button, by the way. You can see I currently don't have anything in the system yet. So let's create a new one. And what should we create? Let's create a CP12, a gas safety record. I can choose the customer. So again, it's Larry the landlord. It'll ask me, of course, for the project. Again, this is the place this will be stored. So it's the boiler install. While that's loading, I'll just move the mobile back to the desktop. There we go. So we have the landlord gas safety record. Now, again, PowerNow tries to keep you from having to enter too much information. Keep your fingers safe. So we have things which are recorded. So, for example, your gas safe registration number, the gas safe license number, once this information has been added into the system, it will be there forever until you change it or replace it. I'm going to just really quickly create a gas cert. What I suggest is if you're in any of the industries that we have forms and certificates for, again, please just get in contact with us and we can not only talk you through how it works, but we can also show you that it's here. Let me just pass all of this. We've tried to make it as easy as possible to do what is actually can be quite complicated paperwork. You can attach images, you can sign things. I'll just press next. I've just created a very, very quick gas cert. And there we go, it's in the system. You can add your own logos to this. You can make them look just your own. And that can be sent out to your customer. As simple as that. I mean, it is unbelievably easy to create some quite complicated documents within PowerNow. There we go. So we created a gas safe record, and that's stored again in PowerNow, but also within the project. So if I hop into the project, you can see that I've created a gas safety record. And this actually gives me a good excuse to quickly show you. I sent that out to the customer via email and text message, and they haven't actually been opened yet. So as soon as any of these things are opened, you'll see a tick here. Again, I can click on it and I can see the gas cert that was actually sent out to the customer. Now this is cool because we hear from so many different people that are actually using pen and paper or other apps that actually charge you by the certificate. If you're the person you've created then these certificates moves house, if they need a copy of it, if they've lost it, if it's damaged, all you can do is just open that cert up and you can just press the send again button. So all of this stuff is stored in the project and from inside the project, and in fact I'll do it on the mobile, so on the mobile quickly. There you go, you can see it. You can also add anything to the project. So let's add another form of certificate. Let's do an electrical one. Let's do an easy one, a minor electrical installation certificate. There we go. This is where the certificate can be created. I'm just going to add an empty one. And again, that can be sent off straight away. And that's stored on the project. And you can see straight away on your side here, again, this is your engineer's side, this is your business, this is your account. You can see that that's been created as a minor electrical installation certificate. Now, all of these things can be copied, all of these things can be replicated very quickly. So we are, again, if I take the gas industry, we hear from so many gas installers that actually the amount of time spent filling in these forms and certificates sometimes outweighs the actual work they're doing. And frankly, not very much changes short of the readings. So you can open this up, and if you wanted to, you can copy that. And most of the time, unless you've changed the actual boiler itself, it's going to be identical. So I can just open this up. Obviously, the readings are stripped. The information about the safety side is stripped. You just have to go and re-enter this information, and you can create these certificates insanely quickly. There we go. Without any hassle at all, you just created another certificate. With PowerNow, if you're sending something which has to be done every year, so again, a CP12 is a great example of that. What we do is we automatically set up a reminder. This can go back into the project, but also into the diary as well. It will alert the customer. So in the case of a CP12 that actually is expiring, it has to be done again. It'll also alert you as well. So you can start planning your work and your schedule around what's going to be coming up. There we go. And again, this is stored in forms and certificates here, but also if I go to the project, open it up, you can see I've got a gas safety record, a minor electrical installation certificate, and another gas safety record. So all this information is being recorded onto the project timeline. Your engineers, if they open it up, they can create things as well. You can specify what your engineers see. Your engineer can set their own signature. So if you want them to sign documents for you, you can do that. Really, it's incredibly powerful. But what I would suggest is come and have a conversation with us, and we can actually show you how this works for your industry. As mentioned, there are about 30 certificates at the time of the creation of this video. There may be more by the time you're watching it, but please come and have a conversation with us if there's something which you use a lot of, which we don't currently have at the moment.